Good morning and welcome to ADS Research's live market update. Now this morning we're looking at sentiment in the Canadian dollar and we're forecasting that it should remain negative as long as prices are below 102.28. Now the outlook for the week as a whole is also very bearish, and so far this is being confirmed. Throughout March, sentiment has been dominated by a trend of failed bounces and lower highs, and this was repeated yesterday. And in fact, selling interest yesterday only slowed once the price reached close to the low for the month at 101.80. Now going into today, there's no obvious sign of any change to this negative bias. And in fact, intraday trading is showing a very strong trend of failed improvements, as investors are still willing to sell any intraday bounces. This pattern's been repeated again already this morning with a failure from the high in Asia. Now as far as economic data goes, there's nothing reported for Canada today, and it's not until later this evening that the Deputy Governor of the Bank of Canada is speaking. So the focus for data is likely to be on the US, where we have durable goods, consumer confidence and new home sales, all of which are likely to report lower levels, which should be dollar negative. So against this background, our forecast is for lower prices today, while the Canadian dollar is below 102.28. And the first target is for a move towards 101.60 and then 101.38. That will be a correction of half of all of this year's gains. Ultimately today, we could even see dollar Canada down towards 101. Now that's it from us here at ADS Research. I'll leave you with a summary of today's strategy in the Canadian dollar.